Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify keyword rankings with Semrush for US markets. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Semrush account. Navigate to the dashboard. Select the position tracking tool from the left sidebar. If you haven't set up a project yet, click on Set up Position Tracking. Enter your project name in the designated field. Choose the target domain you want to track. Select the country as the United States. Specify the device type, choosing from desktop or mobile. Click on Next to move to the keyword selection page. Add the keywords you wish to track in the designated input area. You can either type them manually or upload a list in CSV format. After entering your keywords, click Next. Review the settings for your campaign to ensure accuracy. Click on Start Tracking to initiate the tracking process. Wait a moment for Semrush to gather data on your specified keywords. Once the data is collected, navigate back to the position tracking dashboard. Here, you'll see a summary of your keyword rankings. You can view rankings by selecting different tabs, such as ranking distribution or visibility. Monitor the changes in rankings over time. Utilize the filters to segment your results based on different criteria. Explore competitor analysis by adding competitor domains for comparison. Check for any fluctuations in keyword positions regularly. Export your data for further analysis or reporting using the export feature. This process will help you effectively verify keyword rankings in the US market using Semrush. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.